we are good with, hiring people as freshers and, growing them up to the scale, where with a lot of experience that they have on the ground and then, going ahead in their life. Plus, taking some talents which are experienced outside our, company, because that brings up new ideas, into the overall growth of the company. We have got new, emerging leaders who are taking lead engineer responsibility, and it's a fantastic, thing what we are, and it's not that we have learned something in the books. It has just been, carried forward as we are getting experience.
So I can proudly say that the Commtel team, the Commtel engineering team and the execution team, we can now design the detailed engineering without any dependency on the vendors, more than 25 to 30 systems with full in-house capabilities. And also, apart from the technologies, we adapt a lot of tools. The next point is on the our consistent quality of work which our engineering team is delivering basically. And finally, one point I want to make on the interfunction, cross-function collaboration which we have within the organization.